Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day. What day is it? The 23rd. 2 more days till Christmas. I'm so tired. I've had a busy day. I went and helped my brother this morning. That took about 4 hours. Then I came home, had something to eat, and then I just took my neighbor for her physical therapy. She had shoulder surgery. She needed a ride. So I'm sitting outside of her therapy. Outside of her PT place. I don't drink soda a lot. That hurt. Behind me was a grocery store. Do I think it was a good idea to go to the grocery store at 4:50 on the Monday before Christmas? No, not a good idea. Did I do it anyway? I did. Because I'm looking for my trash. Things needed to happen. I was fine, but I wanted to get a few things. Thinking about, I'm looking for chapstick. My lips are so dry. Also, my hands are dry. I used that stuff yesterday. That helped. So I just wanted to get I got some apples, some cream, some for my coffee, some milk, some sausages, like hot dog type sausages that I could just cook real quick. I am off work until Thursday. So today's Monday. I go back to work Thursday. Tomorrow we're doing Christmas Eve with my niece. I'll go to her house. I don't know what I'm going to do on Christmas Day. I thought about, I had to pull my hair back to clean, and now I'm a disaster. I thought about going to the movie theater and seeing the Wicked sing-along version. I thought that would be fun. I'm failing miserably at my cross stitch. Do you know how many things I dropped down into the seat next to me? A lot. I'm failing at my cross stitch advent. I'm only up to, last night I got to day 9. And then I ripped out half of day 8 because I counted wrong. So I think what I'll do tonight, because I'm very tired. So today's Monday. Saturday, I didn't get home from football until 1 in the morning. Or got in bed about 1 in the morning. And then yesterday, what did I do on Sunday? I don't even remember. Ran errands. Oh yes, I ran errands. And then my friend Advent, we all decided that we're going to do it again next year. But we have to bring our stuff in May. So I actually went to Michael's to look for a few things because I have some ideas. I got ideas. I can't say them because I know Lisa watches this. But I already completed one of the ideas that I had. I know. Somebody just put it next to me. Now they're going to be judging me. But I don't care. I think I figured out the situation with my recording. We're going to find out if I'm sitting here talking to myself for 10 minutes and nothing records again. That'll be unfortunate. I don't drink a lot of soda, but I have a bit of a headache today. Oh, so I ran a bunch of errands yesterday. I did not sleep well last night at all. It happens to us all. So when I woke up at 8 this morning and ran to my brother's house for 9, I was dragging. But I'm like, I just got to get this done. Just need to get it done. Which I did. So I'm thinking tonight, depending on what time I get home, I might have some fire. Because I do love a fire. I was going to watch that movie Red 1 last night. It's really good. I liked it. Krampus is invited to the movies. He's making an appearance. So I thought that was really cool. And But then I realized that I can watch on Hulu. I don't have cable. But on Hulu, I watched Polar Express because that's like a favorite. Polar Express, Elf, and now this Red One. I'm really enjoying it. I might watch that again tonight. It's really good. And, you know, after you watch something once, you know, always get the whole shebang. I got presents for my brother, my neighbor. HTV Ront. I have to record that video tomorrow. Sent me an iCraft machine, which is like their version of the Cricut. Paper cutting, vinyl, and all that. So I have that at home. I got to make that video tomorrow. But then they sent me as a Christmas gift one of the little mini irons, which I've been really wanting one of those when I do crafts. Instead of having to drag out my entire ironing board and iron, I can just use the little one. So what I need to get is a wool ironing mat, and then I can just stick it on my craft table, and just when I'm doing little sewing stuff. And then they sent me a heat press to make baseball hats, so I can heat press on the hats, which was nice. We got to pick two things. I already have I had two of the heat presses. I kept one and I gave one away. I kept the one manual because it's smaller and I like the better control. I didn't mind the electric one, but the manual one was fine for me. And then I think what they were offering something else. Oh, a mug press, but I already have one of those as well, so that's okay. All right, hopefully my neighbor comes out soon. She should be down shortly. I dropped her off about an hour ago. And yeah, I will show you my friend vent gifts because I have 3 to show you. All right, guys, I'll be back. Okay, I'm home. I made an iced caramel latte. Oh, it's so good. Milk, caramel syrup. I got sugar-free Torani pump syrup and then an espresso pod. So good. All right, we got presents to open and presents to show you. One of the items I received in my friend advent. Isn't that beautiful? It's a fish ornament. I almost like a betta fish. I don't know. I love it. It's beautiful. So I received that. And then some more fabric for backing. And look at this beautiful little ornament. Isn't that gorgeous? It's beaded and cross-stitched. And it is gorgeous. I love it. And a friction pen. Perfect for sewing. So I received that. So today's the 23rd, and then I have the 24th. So we're going to open this one. For the 23rd. Oh, pretty. Oh. It's a mug. Isn't that beautiful? And it came... Caramel Ecosay from Newfoundland. Loose leaf tea. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love tea. And this is from the Newfoundland Tea Company. Oh, that is so exciting. And I know who got this. The Noir Pure, English. Pure black tea. Almond pieces and natural flavors. I'm excited to try that. And, oh, Newfoundland sea salt. Oh, Melita, our friend, is originally from Newfoundland. Oh, I'm excited to try that. That is so, oh, that's Wellington. He's apparently a window hopper. Oh, I'm excited to try that as well. And girl, I don't need any shred. I'll tell her later. We don't need the shred. And she put an ornament on it. Oh, I'm excited. It's sea salt from Newfoundland. And a fun mug to drink my tea. Okay. So I have one left for tomorrow. I was going to show you what I've been making with my crochet. So, you know, I work football. I showed you from the game, but I was a nervous wreck. So I sat there I was indoors because it was freezing outside and I was working on this. But they handed out these towels. They were like flingy towels. And it says, let's go Bucks. Playoff first round, Ohio State versus Tennessee. Oh, that's nice. And it has like, they gave these out in the student section. But one of my colleagues grabbed it for me. So that was exciting. But while I was sitting there, I was nervous. So I made some things. First and foremost, this is what I crocheted. Tell me that is not adorable. It's a little wreath with a bow. I know. So I make these little, I don't know if I have a single one in here. I'm sure I do somewhere. This is what it looks like, a single little spiral. And then I wrap two together. And I'm going to make the red and white ones will be candy canes. Aren't these fun? So that's what I made, a whole bunch of these while I was sitting there. Oh, here, I have to put these two together. So you take one of each color and you just start at one end and you twist them around each other. I'm not ready to do this one yet, but I will. And then I have somewhere in here, oh, here we go. This is attached, it's another bow for the other wreath. But isn't that fun? Little ornament or tree, little tree ornament or gift topper. So that's what I did during the football game while I was having a nervous breakdown. Because it was a lot. So now I need to put some more stuff on my lips. It's so dry. I'm going to watch a movie and I'm going to put one of my puzzles together tonight. I've only done 2. Guys, I am so far behind, and I cannot wait to make this tea. I'm so far behind with my Advent, my cross-stitching. It's fine. It'll get done. I'm not worried. I got to put my ornaments on my tree. I'm excited. All right, guys. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I'm excited. I should have a video tomorrow. I don't know what time I'm supposed to go to my niece's house. I got to figure that out. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.